Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuses to check in case your Edge is equipped with power liftgate and it's not working. This video will apply to second generation of Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now the main power liftgate fuse will be located in so-called hidden fuse box, which is just under the main fuse box, if that makes sense. So this here is the main fuse box under the front hood. So what you have to do, you have to detach it, you have to lift it up, flip it to the side and remove the bottom cover, and then you will get access to that hidden fuse box. Now to do that, first you'll have two black tabs. Okay, I'll try to turn on the flash. Hopefully record it. So you see there is one black tab here which you have to detach. I hope I'll try to do it from the other side. You see, just want to detach it here and then lift the fuse box up, and you'll have one of the same kind just under this connector. And the easiest way to access it is through here. And then there's this black tab right here. It's kind of hard to record, but it looks the same like the other one I just showed you. So once you detach it, leave the fuse box up and it will become loose. Now once you have it nice and loose, you want to lift it up and push it here towards the air box, because it's still being held down there by four black tabs inserted into four openings. I will show you once I remove it. So lift up and push. I'm trying to work with one hand, but I should be able to do it. Okay, and then you want to lift it up and turn it on the side. And here you can see those tabs I was mentioning, they were inside these four openings. And then you have this bottom cover which you have to remove. So again you have two tabs, one on this side and one here on the opposite side. You want to remove this and you will get access to the fuses, and on the back side of the cover you'll also have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check for the power liftgate is this 30 amp fuse right here. This is fuse number 76. So zoom in a bit. So this is your power liftgate fuse, and if that fuse is good, then you have one more fuse to check in a small fuse box under the steering wheel. Okay, now the second fuse box, like I said, under the steering wheel. To access it, first you want to remove this cover, and then it will be deep inside. So I'll try to zoom in and turn flash on my phone. Okay, you can see the fuse is down there. Now one option is you can try to access it through this opening. Your other option is getting into awkward position and squeeze your hand through here. Whichever option you choose, you will have a bit of problems, but that's just the way it is. Now if you own 2015 to 2020 Ford Edge, you will be checking fuse number 10, which will be located right here on the right side. You can see where is my screwdriver. And then if you own 2021 to 2024, you'll be checking fuse number 8, which is one spot above. So you'll be checking in that case this one. Okay, I hope you can see this. This is the best I can do. Now in case both of these fuses are good, then you want to check the power liftgate switch, connections and wiring. And one more important thing, if nothing fixes it, then the next step to do is update the vehicle software. And you can probably do it just by connecting your vehicle directly to the router and run the update. If not, you'll have to visit the dealer, because this power liftgate is actually part of a Ford system on the newer ones, and it can malfunction just because the system is not up to date. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.